This is my 1985 Wellcraft 248 Fisherman. It comes with a 2008 10-axle trailer, and the boat has had a keel-up restoration between 2012 and 2014. The boat comes with a custom tower with overhead storage, Tigris outriggers, and the console seat with rod holders and live well. Part of the restoration was an enclosed transom with a walk-through door and a large Armstrong flotation bracket supporting a 2008 Suzuki DF300 that has 380 hours and Sea-Star steering. Electronically, the boat has new Lowrance fish finder chart plotters and a Lowrance autopilot installed in 2017. VHF radio, stereo, Lenco trim tabs, auto tether, night fishing lights, saltwater washdown, and there's a porta potty area if you want to use it. The boat will seat 8 with full cushions and fold down bench on transom with removable backrest. There's undergunnel rod storage for 6 rods, 4 rod storage on top of cuddy, and 6 rod holders on the console seats.